Yes? Okay. So good morning, everyone. So the first step, we will. So this is a plate which is painted in red. Okay. We are going to make this plate into an apple. Okay. So for the apple, we will just need the green color paper. We will take the green paper, fold it into half. We will just use half of the green paper. A leaf out of this green paper. Okay. Okay, so
can you show your drawing?
Image of the leaf and a stem. So we will just need a leaf and a stem out of this green paper. We will
Ma'am, the image is not clear. Can you just show a little bit closer?
Yeah, I'll just cut it and I'll show you. Then it will be more.
Leaf Neo. Pencil leaf out stem. Now.
Okay, so this is a leaf. We will make 2 leaves. Okay, so 2 leaves like this.
Stem. Ma'am, please show again.
Sure. Okay. So these will be our 2 leaves. And we will make one thick stem for the apple. So we will be needing. So 2 leaves and 1 stem. Now we will paste this in the paper. I'll just show you how to paste
Ma'am, এটা কি ঠিক আছে?
Yes. Okay, so this is how it will look. You will paste it at the back side of the paper like this. So it will look like this. Okay, with the stem and the leaf.
9, 10.
Okay? Yeah.
18.
So once your apple is ready, the next step is we will fold this paper. We will fold the paper plate into half. And we will cut this portion with the scissor. We will I'll show you once. Okay, so it will come out like this. You will just fold the paper, you will cut it into a circle in the middle. So we will cut it and we will get it like this. So it will look like this. Yes, very nice. Okay, so once you get this one, once your apple is ready, the next step will be you will be needing your markers. Okay, so in the marker, we will start writing the letters. I will just show you.
Can you just show it how the middle portion you are cutting?
It will look like this, something like this. You will just fold it and you will just cut the middle portion.
Okay.
Okay, so once this is ready, we will start writing our letters. So we will start from this side, A, B. So we will write it till I. Okay, in one side we will write it till I. Okay, we can just stop it till G. Since it's not getting fit, we will just write till G. And on the other side, we will start from G. Then we will continue writing till A.
Oh, mark up again.
Okay, so it is ready.
Susan, mark up.
We will just write it like this.
Ma'am, can you show again where this ABCD is supposed to be written?
One side you will write from A to G. At the other side, you will write it from G to A.
তুমি রাখো তোমার নুন স্টিকটা কই যাও
Okay. If your writing part is done, now the next step is you will take your pen. Just beside A, you will make a hole with the pen. Just make holes beside the letters. Don't make the hole very big, or else the string or the wool will come out once we start threading this. So we will make holes beside the letters we have written.
Ma'am, can you show the hole beside the A?
Ma'am, this
This side
A
you
to
will
G.
make a hole.
A to G and from again A to G.
No, from G to A. This side it will be G to A. This side it will be A to G. So the holes will be this end of the paper.
Likho.
Okay, we will make the holes beside the letters here.
ম্যাম দু সাইডে হোল করতে হবে
Yes, yes, yes. Both the sides.
Ma'am, can you just show that whole thing again? How to make it? Where to make it? Outside the A, B, C, D. Okay. Besides the letter. Okay. Come on, A, B, C, D. Likho, Mama likho. Come here, likho.
Okay, so if it's done, now we will take the broomstick. We will take the broomstick. We will just need this much of the broomstick. It will be in the size of the needle. So this is basically we are making into a needle because the kids are too small. They can't use the actual needle. So we will be making the broomsticks as a needle. Okay, so we just need the broomstick like this. Now we will take the wool or the thread. If you are using the thread, you will just take a big portion of the thread and you will fold it into two parts. You will just make it double, okay? So since I'm using this wool, so the next step is we will take the thread, we will just roll it in one end of the broomstick. Okay, we will roll it nicely so that the thread or the wool doesn't comes out. So you need to make at least 6 to 7 rolls. Then we will just tie a knot. We will tie double knot to this so that the broomstick stays. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show that again on the broomstick? You have to roll it how many times?
ম্যাম আরেকবার দেখান
6 to 7 times. Then with one end and the other end, you will tie the knot. Just make a double knot to it so that the broomstick doesn't comes out of the thread. Okay, we will just make a knot. Okay, so your needle and the thread is ready. We will take the thread. Okay. So now now the next part is you will give the paper and the stick to the children. Now they will start lacing it. So lacing, how they will do is that first we will insert the stick in the letter A, then they will take it out. As we sew the clothes, it's just like that. They will take it out. Okay. And we will tie a knot in one end so that it doesn't comes out. Okay, So once letter A is done, you can just tie a knot here, so the thread will not come out. Okay. So now the children, they will match the letters of one side with the other side. They will just lace it. Okay. So this is my letter A. My next letter A is here. So I will take this to here. So we will just lace it. So this is very simple. Please parents, give it to your children. Let them lace the letters. So it will come out like this. Then comes letter B. So they will just match it with the letters of one side of the paper to the other side of the paper.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yes, sure. So they will match letter A of this side to the letter A of the other side, letter B of this side, and letter B of the other side. Then it will come like this. So they can lace the letters, they can just match it.
Ma'am, after doing one cross, then you have to go from the down or you have to go
We go from the back.
back.
Okay. So once the lacing activity.
Is it like this? Can you just show it?
Yes, very nice.
Oh.
Okay, so the kids can practice the same at home. You can also introduce the numbers to them. You can write the numbers on one side and the other side of the paper. They will write the numbers and match it. So this is something very easy activity for them to do it. Since it involves their fine motor development, they will learn how to match as well as know how to lace the letters using a thread and a needle. So it's just a fun activity for them which they can easily do it at home. Okay, very nice.
What's it, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Is there anything?
No, it's done.
Oh, I have actually a meeting. Can I leave?
Yeah, sure. Bye, Advika.
Goodbye to ma'am. Bye to ma'am. Hey,
Bye,
to
bye.
Say bye to ma'am. Bye bye to
Yes.
এমনি করে ধরো
Okay,
দেখো
bye.
তুমি দু হাতে ধরো তুমি দু হাতে ধরো তুলে দাও দেখো এই দেখো দেখো
আমার এদিকে আয়।
দেখো ম্যাম ইচ্ছা আছে ম্যাম
দেখ সবাই কি
Okay,
সুন্দর
very
করছে।
good, very good.
দেখো চিত্র দেখো ইয়েস ম্যাম
Okay, very nice.
তুমি ধরো এইভাবে ধরো তুমি ধরো এইভাবে
তুই ধরে কর কি রে? হ্যাঁ? তুই শুধু খেলার জন্য বসে আছিস, দেখ কি সুন্দর করছে দেখ ওরা।
Okay, so this is it for today. You can just let the children thread the other letters. Okay, so once it is done, you can just send me the pictures of the threading work. Okay, we will meet you soon. Okay, bye kids. Bye bye everyone. Take care.